What's up, RestoMods? We got another incredible feature for you. This one coming from Quarantine Cruise number 7. This was my favorite car of the day. Brendon's incredible 1967 Pontiac Firebird. What's up, RestoMods Nation? I'm here with Brendon, and we're gonna take a look at his 67 Firebird. This is my favorite car of the day.
Thank you very much.
Please tell us a little bit about this thing and some history behind it.
All right, well, as you said, 67 Firebird. It's a car I bought in 2009, and it was like an old Survivor, Verdoro green, black vinyl top, Pontiac 400 engine in it. My original goal was to just kind of build it up like that, but once I started tearing it apart, it was a little too rusty. It was an East Coast car. Everything was just delaminating. It was pretty rough.
Okay.
So had it stripped, had it acid dipped, not much came back. So I was like, you know what? Let's just have some fun with it. I've done a lot of subtle and not so subtle mods on this thing. Just looking at it from the exterior, you can see the bumper does not float in front anymore. It's all flush mount,
okay, yep.
like that. The hood comes right up to the edge too. I've actually welded metal on there so it fits nice and tight. The wheel openings are enlarged. And what I mean by that, all that inner lip you'd see on a factory one is gone. It's all cut away, and it's mini tub front and rear.
Yeah, it looks right.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, it looks really smooth.
So with that, and that's why there's a weld mark here, because my inner fender actually attaches up here now. So this is all just a single wall of metal like that, front and back. 2015 Mustang vents here, just let some heat and air pressure out when I'm at speed. No windshield wipers, so California Highway Patrol, please leave me alone. Got vents on the side here for rear brake cooling.
Oh,
and then again, you know, this is cut open. And then my quarter panels, I had to replace them, so I actually widened them out a little bit. So it's factory mount here, but just slightly pie cut and wider here to fit the 69 Trans Am spoiler.
So the whole back of the car is widened.
Whole back of the car is widened, but it's not the obnoxious, you know, it looks like a bubble butt.
Yep.
And it was enough just to do the 69 Trans Am spoiler, so it's basically the same width as the 69 Firebird or Camaro. And when you look at the back, I've Frenched the tail panel, and I widened the rear bumper. So this is actually not shortened, but widened, so I had to get 2 of them and add them in there. Things that you don't see that actually help, there's like a modern fuel filler neck inside, so it's got the anti-slosh valve, it's a larger diameter, works with today's fuel pumps.
Cool.
Little drains here, just, you know, like if water gets here, it will, you know, dribble away as opposed to puddling up and rusting out.
Cool.
And then of course on the interior, we've got the original gauges, but they're rebuilt by Redline Gauge Works. You'll see an LCD odometer on there because it works with the T56 Magnum transmission.
Awesome.
So it's all electronic, but keeping the original vibe.
Very cool.
The whole point for me was to have a vintage car with modern performance.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, just buy a new car, save yourself the trouble.
100%.
So that's why I'm running, you know, the original door panels, dashboard, steering wheel, retro, little vintage tack, old center console and stuff. To me, it defeats the purpose when you just put all new car parts on there.
100%. Cool.
And roll bar, you'll notice that it's back here. Most people put them by the B-pillar. I'm a tall guy, so all my seat mounts are moved back. Okay. Very comfortable for me.
What do we got under the hood?
Well, here's where I went new school. It's a 01 LS1 out of a 2001 Trans Am.
Awesome.
So before everyone starts bagging on me for putting a Chevy in a Pontiac, truthfully, it's a Pontiac
There we
engine.
go.
It was born in a Pontiac, it's still in a Pontiac. I painted it in the original 60s Pontiac blue just to give it that vintage vibe to it.
Okay. I knew there was more going on. I knew it.
It's actually a Mustang grille and BMW headlights.
Wow, I noticed the lights for sure, and it just looks like it's ready to go fast. I mean, I love everything you've done with the car.
Thank you.
And the things that I didn't even know you'd done, I had seen them, and I had noticed them, but it looks so right that I didn't know what it was exactly.
Yeah.
So,
one of the things that I've done.
Oh, cool.
So made it into a Hot Wheels in 2017.
Oh,
so I mean, you can buy this car at the store.
So they made this from your car?
Yeah, I made it. I'm one of the designers there.
That's incredible. So you're a designer at Hot Wheels? Mm-hmm. What a dream job, man.
Thank you.
That is awesome.
So this was a lot of fun. So you'll see the LS engine, you'll see all the side vents, the recessed tail panel, the Trans Am spoiler, the DSC 4-link on the bottom. So, I mean, it's, all the detail is there, right down to the toggle switches on the dash.
Wow, that is incredible,
so
man.
It is my car.
That is so cool. Well, this is the first time I've ever interviewed anybody with a Hot Wheels car, like an actual Hot Wheels car. So I'm honored, and thank you so much for showing us around.
Thank you for your time.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, man.
All right.
Guys, thanks for watching this feature of Brendon's 1967 Pontiac Firebird. If you love that car as much as I do, head to your local store, pick up that Hot Wheels car, because it's about as close as we're gonna get to owning that thing. If you want a real car, head to RestoMods.com and you could be the next winner of the RestoMods Car Club sweepstakes. Join the RestoMods Car Club today for just $8.95. You're gonna get entries every single month to win the active car or $50,000 in cash. You can also get entries when you make any purchase at RestoMods.com. Head on over to Facebook, Instagram, follow our pages on YouTube, subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified every time we drop a fire video just like this one. Thanks for hanging out. Check out our other videos over here, wherever they are. Check them out. Thanks, guys.